Figured I'd pause for a sec and I guess kind of give you more of an in-depth, and you can see how I'm attaching these wires. You can see the orange one back here where I've wrapped it with electrical tape already. I did the power and ground first, just to get them out of the way so I don't cause any sparkage. So I'm using this Milwaukee battery operated soldering iron. Works pretty good. You don't have to drag a AC powered one in here. So I got 2 more to solder, 4 more to tape up, and we'll move on to the next. And we're back. Soldering complete. Got the harness here, ready to be plugged into the converter. As you saw from the way I soldered them, I chose this method because I don't like to cut wires. And in a situation, if I ever had to remove this, I could just cut what I soldered on and tape it back up. As opposed, if you cut them all up, use butt connectors or even those little Scotch lock, not a huge fan. You know, in worst case, let's say you remove this out of the system and go back to complete bone stock, you could just leave this guy hanging here. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt anything. So from here, I think I could probably put some of this trunk back together and get it. It's sitting over there on the workbench, but we can get that thing over here and get it plugged in and get it set up, and we'll go from there. Ooh, there we go, zoomed in. All right, well, as you can see, the trunk's back together. Everything's wired up. Got a loose wire there, that's fine. Anyway, it's all in. I got it working. Spent the majority of the time trying to fish that wire up front, which is I put right there by the driver, so you can adjust the base as you wish. Other than that, it is done.
Nope.
Kid approved. Wife approved, especially. So, basically, that's about it. Any questions, just throw it down in the comments. I'll try to answer them as they come. All right. Are we done? Think so? Well, I think we're done. Trunk's clean. Everything's installed. We've played around with it. We've tuned it to the best that we can. By ear. I didn't screw around with hooking a voltmeter up to it like I wish I had. But I'd play it, but obviously I'm sure there's some sort of Facebook rule, or not Facebook, sorry, YouTube rules where you can't play
Copyrighted music.
There you go. Boy knows more than me. So, this is, I guess, the end of this video. I don't know if I'm going to do any more. It's possible. I know we have probably some plans with this car. What are we going to do with it? Oh yeah, we're going to drive it. That's for sure. Mom's going to drive it. I don't know. I'm sure we'll have some upcoming... Oh, I guess I could. I'm going to make J-pipes for this car. I've got all the steel for it over here off the good old Amazon. Down here in this box, bought a bunch of about 4 of these 304 stainless steel pipe, and I just happen to have a TIG welder over there. I'm not an expert and will not claim to be, but I can make things stick together and sometimes not leak. So our next attempt is to do that. I did it to the silver Pontiac and it worked out wonderfully. I have a full MagnaFlow exhaust in the blue car, and I just have axle backs in the silver car, so it needs to get done. Anyway,
Hold on, Riley.
we're out. Time for dinner. You want to say hi, kid? Hi, kid.